Hey guys, we are in the end of privilege escalation section, and let's talk about one more method called always install elevator. So this configuration, if you uh, if you set the always install elevator to enabled mode, basically when you want to install any Microsoft Windows installer MSI files, it will be automatically get installed as an administrator level privilege, um, but it has some limited uh, uh, permissions. Okay, basically. So let me go one more time. If you enable the always install elevator, so whatever applications like MSI files, Microsoft Windows installer files, if you are installing in Windows, it will be automatically get installed as an administrator level privilege. Okay, so let me show you how to enable that. Let me go to a run, and you have to go for a gp-edit.msc. So inside that we have a set of uh, configuration. Let me explore, maximize this. Let me go to the administrator template, Windows components. Go to the Windows installer. So here you can find there is a option called always install elevator. Okay, privilege. When you enable this, double click on that. You can enable from here. When you when you enable this privilege, Windows whatever Windows applications like .msi files you are installing, it will be automatically get installed as a administrator privilege. Okay, let me set it to apply, and I'll be giving. Okay, so now it has been enabled. Let me go to the registry key once, and I will check a few more things. Yeah, hope it was not here. So now whatever application .msi files you are installing, it will be automatically get installed as a, administrator level privilege. Okay, this is one kind of a privilege escalation. It will be mostly focusing on user to like medium mandatory level to the high mandatory level, because we are going to user to um, administrator level privilege. So you can enable the settings to do that. Okay. So that's all about this video, short and sweet video. We'll hop off and we'll continue our discussion in the next video. See you guys. Bye bye.